दूसरी तरफ WCP के लीडर के महेश रेड्डी ने कहा है कि पार्टी के मुस्लिम लीडर को बेरहमाना तरीके से कत्ल कर दिया गया। रियासत में गुंडागर्दी उरूज पर है, मरकजी हुकूमत को फौरी सिलसिले में मुदाखलत करनी चाहिए। उन्होंने कहा कि पार्टी सरबराह जगन मोहन रेड्डी ने भी इस कत्ल की मजम्मत की है। रियासत के अमन कानून की सूरत हाल इंतहाई अबतर है, इसलिए मरकज को फौरी मुदाखलत करनी चाहिए।
On the auspicious day of Muharram, yesterday, TDP Gunda have attacked YSRCP minority leader and murdered him in broad daylight in Vinukonda town in Andhra Pradesh. This is what Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has been cautioning the people of Andhra Pradesh last 5 years. If at all TDP party comes to power, Chandrababu Naidu Garu becomes CM, all that this state will see is violence, breakdown of law and order, looting. That is what has happened in the last 1 month. 3 rapes, 31 murders, 35 suicides, and almost 3,000 to 4,000 houses have been looted. The manifesto of TDP, which they promised to the people, have been thrown into the dustbin, and Mr. Lokesh's Red Book had been implemented in Andhra Pradesh since last 1 month. We are requesting the central government to intervene immediately and bring law and order in control in Andhra Pradesh, and also whoever have committed the crime yesterday in Vinukonda town, whoever has murdered the Muslim minority leader should be brought to justice and should be immediately arrested and brought before the courts. Whatever we are requesting once again, the people and especially the YSRCP cadre and leaders, please have restraint. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is there for us. Definitely we will face all the violence that the TDP people or TDP party is doing unitedly. We will fight.